Hi everyone, my name's Zara, welcome to my channel, to Infinity and Beyond. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini brands vending machine. It's a simple function. As you can see, I'm using it here. The coin doesn't actually do anything, it's just for fun. And I also printed out like the checklist from the website. I'll put a link in the description if you want to do the same. So let's get on with the video. So for this DIY you're going to need a box. So I've got this like square one which is a really good shape. It had some like 3D filament in it. And then next you're going to need another little box. So you can just make one from some cardboard, but one which can fit like your miniatures inside. So these fit perfectly. This actually had an ink cartridge in it. And then next you need like a piece of sponge or foam, which is the same width as your box. And also the depth of this box where your miniatures will sit in like the vending machine, so that when you push it in like so, your miniatures will fall into this box here, as it will be upright and you'll be pushing it. So I've already marked out where this is going to sit. There's like a pencil line there, and I'm going to take these two pieces of cardboard and put them either side like this, and this will help guide the miniatures into the little box at the bottom, and it also stops them from like falling down the sides. So next I'm just going to cut off these two flaps as I don't need them. And then I'm going to cut a hole in the front for the window. So I'm going to use this Posca paint pen to like draw a line on this. And then I'm going to press the box onto it. And I know that's where I need to like cut the hole for it. I'm going to put like a slit here for coins. Obviously you don't really need to put a coin in as there's no mechanism, but just like for an added touch. And then the last cut we need to make is basically like a little door if you want to open it for the coins. So then if there's any coins I can always open the back door and get them out. So before I stick this together, I'm going to decorate it. So here's my decorated box. I also printed out some stickers of the mini brands. I basically took a photo of mini brands that I have and printed them onto sticker paper and cut them out. And then I also made these signs. I've got one saying prize, which I'm going to stick here. One saying coins, and that I'm going to put here. And I've also got this, just like the mini brands logo, which I put onto some pink card to cut around it, and just put this here so it's kind of up higher and not just flat on the box. So I'm just going to stick all this down now. So I finished putting all the stickers down and the extra bits that I've made. I think it looks so cool. I'm really happy with how it looks. I also just wanted to show you the top, so I put this like purple card on and I cut this hole for the items so I can drop them in. Make sure it's big enough for your minis or whatever you're going to put in here. And I also put this ribbon through, and I just used some super glue, but you could tie a knot if you want, just so I can like open this in case I do put coins in for the front part. Next I'm going to stick on these 2 triangles on the side. On here I've just got some double-sided tape, and they're going to be used for these. So I basically went on the Mini Brands website, and you can print out like the collector's list. So I printed it onto some sticker paper and stuck it on some coloured card, and I've cut them out, and I'm going to use these. As you can see, I've already like ticked some items, so it's really cool. You can just see what you've got in your collection, and I'm going to stick these card bits onto the side so I can store them here. Cool, so here's how it's looking now. So I've got these on the side being held down in there and there. And lastly we need to do the sponge. So here is my little container. I've covered it in some purple card, and then I put like this push sign on it. So first of all, I'm just going to make sure I have this the right way around. I think it's that way. Make sure it all fits in still. Yep. So I'm going to put some glue on the sponge. This is a super glue again. And I'm going to push this in carefully. And then I'm just going to press that down for a few seconds. Cool. And I'm going to do the same with this, so I'm going to put some super glue on here. You can use double-sided tape or any other glue that you have. I just like using super glue because I know it's really strong. I'm just going to press it all together for a few seconds. Cool. And then we can fill it up with some minis and try it out. So I hope you enjoyed watching that DIY. If you did, please leave a like, and if you'd like to see more from myself, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!